Hey, you're not the professor.
Don't even ask.
The NWS in Sterling, Virginia has issued a flash flood warning for District of Columbia and District of Columbia, Arlington County in Northern Virginia, City of Alexandria in Northern Virginia, until 4:15 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 12:18 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time, radar imagery indicate a large area of rain covering the Washington metro area. Recent observations across the region show that inch and half of rain are likely in just a matter of an hour or two. These amounts could cause flooding of urban areas. Some locations that will continue to be affected by the heavy rain include Alexandria, Arlington, Ballston, Reagan National Airport, Rosslyn, Adams Morgan, Anacostia, American University, Georgetown, Washington, and U.S. Capitol. Additional rainfall amounts of 2 to 3 inches are possible in the warned area. Excessive runoff from heavy rainfall will cause flooding of small creeks and streams, urban areas, highways, streets, and underpasses, as well as other drainage areas and low-lying spots. Be especially cautious at night when it is harder to recognize the dangers of flooding. If flash flooding is observed, act quickly. Move up to higher ground to escape floodwaters. Do not stay in areas subject to flooding when water begins rising.
Professor!
Quiet!